My most viral video got removed, and it's that one you're watching right now, but with cutoffs and a few differences. If you want to watch the original video, you can find it in my Discord server, link in the description. YouTube, this video is for educational purposes only. Please, dear YouTube, do not remove this or you will get me unemployed again. I don't want to work at McDonald's. You are just a mobile editor and want to make smooth edits like After Effects editors? Well, don't worry, because for this video, I have prepared 6 tips, how to make your edits smoother. Hello editors, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you and explain every way carefully, so your edits after this video will look 10 times better. But before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Some apps support frame blending, or optical flow, which creates extra frames between movements for smoother motion. In CapCut, you can simply select the feature when you are about to export your project. Here you can see by yourself what magic it can do. Also, don't forget to set 60 frames per second if you are going to export your edit. Twixtor is an advanced slow motion effect that creates extra frames between existing ones to make motion look smoother. Twixtor is an After Effects plugin, but on mobile, especially on CapCut, there is something similar. How to apply Twixtor? Well, first, get your clips ready. Click on one and head to speed. Choose either curves, which is more advanced, or normal. Depends what Twixtor do you want. For me, because I'm too lazy to make, create, and apply the curve to all the clips in my edit, I'm going with normal, and here, you need to slow down the clip. I always set the clips to either 0.4 or 0.3, depends how fast is the clip originally. Then, adjusting the length to the beats, and finally adding the Twixtor by choosing better quality. Here's the comparison. As you can see, there is a big difference. And the speed curves, I hate them. Motion blur is a visual effect that mimics the way objects appear blurred when moving quickly. It makes fast movements look smoother and more natural, especially in video editing and animation. For this, I'm not really suggesting you to use this for full edits because it can degrade the quality by the blurriness. But if you don't overdo your edits with a huge amount of effects or overlays, and it's just straight clips with some zooms, then you can try, and it will probably look okay. Well, motion blur is still useful. Me personally, I prefer using it for add-ons to the edits, like overlays, or my recent outro I have created for my edits. It's cool, right, chat? Anyways, let me show you how to do it. So first, create a new project and import the clip, overlay, or edit you want to apply motion blur to. Click on it and find motion blur. There are many good settings you can try, like 30 and 30, 35 and 25, or 45 and 25. Don't forget to change times to twice and you are good to go. After that, export it with 60 frames per second, and if you want, also with optical flow. I just showed you 3 ways how to make your edits smoother with just CapCut, but there are 3 more, so make sure to watch this video till the end. And come on, you got into this point and still haven't subscribed or liked this video yet? You should fix that. Alright, let's continue. TimeCut is an AI-powered editor dedicated to make smooth, slow motion, frame interpolation, and motion blur effects. Open the app after the installation. We're gonna go through 3 features. Let's start with Deep Learning Smooth Booster. This uses AI to generate additional frames between existing ones, making motion appear much smoother. It's useful for extreme slow motion, as it fills in missing frames instead of simply repeating existing ones. So I would use this only for really slowed down clips, not full edits. Next one, Smart Motion Blur. This feature adds motion blur to your video as in CapCut, but this is way better and more advanced, making movements appear more natural and cinematic. After you pick the clip or edit, down here, you can even choose the intensity with previews. Higher the intensity, more smoothness and blur as well. For edits, the best will be probably 20 or 30, slow motions and fast movements 40 or 50. After the process, you can also enhance the blur. The bigger multiplier, the more obvious the motion blur. How to choose the right multiplier? For slow motions, 4 to 6. Regular speed videos, 2 to 3, and fast-moving clips, 3 to 5. Last one, frame rate changer. Lets you adjust the frame rate of your video, making it smoother by increasing FPS with 3 tools. Optical Flow, which I explained before, deep learning and frame blending. For your edit, I'm suggesting you to go with Optical Flow. And this was TimeCut. You can download Vmake, an amazing AI quality enhancer, which we will use for AI repair. Open the app and go to Image Quality and select AI Repair. Now here, we don't need anything besides interpolation. Well, if you are planning increasing the quality, but hey, I have made a tutorial for that too. I will leave a link down below. Anyways, how it works. Interpolation generates extra frames between existing ones, making motion smoother and more natural. This helps reduce choppiness, especially when slowing down footage or enhancing low frame rate videos. I just showed you 5 ways how to make your edits smoother, but now let's see the bonus tips you should definitely keep in mind. But before that, join Royal Unite, an amazing editing community on Discord with free high-quality editing resources like overlays, sound effects, presets, fonts, and also scripts, plugins, programs, apps, and a lot more. Connect with our active, friendly fellow editors and supportive members. I'm trying to build the biggest editing community. Help me by joining through my link in the description or in my profile. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Tip number 1. To get the smoothest edits, export your projects with 30 or 60 FPS, but 60 is more recommended. Tip number 2. If you use scene packs, make sure they are 23.976 or 24 frames per second. Your Twixtor will look way smoother than with 60 FPS scene pack. It can still look smooth with 30 or 60 FPS, but 23.976 is more consistent. If you don't know how to find high-quality scene packs for edits, watch this video. I will add it at the end of this video or in the description. Tip number 3. Don't use linear graphs. If you do edits with keyframes creating zooms or trackings, make sure to use smooth graphs like Easy In, Easy Out, or Flow 2. I will do a more detailed video about it, so no need to elaborate. Tip number 4. Use smooth overlays, effects, and text animations. If you want an overall smooth edit, ensure the layers and editing resources are smooth too. Tip number 5. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos like this. Alright everybody, see you in the next one. Peace.